There is a trend emerging that all operators need to be aware of, and that's snacking. Now, more than ever, people are thinking about mealtime differently and are looking for delicious and smaller size portions. Today, I have two easy ideas that will help you take advantage. First up, pinwheels. I am making a very simple pepperoni pinwheel. We already have all the ingredients: dough, sauce, cheese and pepperoni. Adding this to your menu should be easy. Pinwheels can be a blank canvas for creativity. Stretch out your dough, put on your ingredients, roll it up, slice it, and bake it. Another great snack option is the pizzetta. It's Italian for little pizza. These are a great option for lunch. They give customers a chance to try different pizzas or satisfy their hunger with a snack-sized portion. Plus, you can experiment with new pizza varieties that might just be your customer's new favorite. This is also a great way to capture the mashup trend with favorite dishes or global cuisine like this chicken tikka masala mashup. Or keep it simple with pepperoni, caprese salad, or 4 cheese. Don't forget to let your customer know that you are the place where snacks are always available. Some good ideas to get the word out include social media, box toppers, in-store signage, and your stuff. For more inspiration or another snack idea, visit grandecheese.com. Arrivederci.